beautiful. This would be a cracking place to come and camp. Good afternoon YouTube friends, hope everyone's well today. Just heading out for a wee run on Sunday afternoon. Gonna head up down the Fairlie Moor road. It's the objective for today. So I planned a route on Calimoto. It's the first time using it for route planning since I subscribed. So I did it on the desktop, saved it onto my profile and then opened it up on my phone, so far so good. So far I'm liking this. So today's ride will be about 50 miles I think, according to Calimoto. I've been thinking lately about what I can do on my channel, and I know I said I never really did test rides because I wasn't a fan of test ride videos because it's a very subjective personal thing. I wondered what's everyone's thoughts on test ride videos. If it's something I could do a couple of, would there be interest in it? I might be looking to buy a new bike anyway, so it's not without a purpose, but at the same time I don't know if it's wasting the time of a dealer. If you go and test ride a bike with no intention of buying that bike, are you wasting their time? I don't know. I've noticed that Harley Davidson and Triumph in Glasgow both have experience days where you can go and you can ride some of the machines. Now I think that's a different situation because that's an event that they're putting on, probably knowing full well that people who go and ride those bikes aren't necessarily going to be in the market to buy one. So I'd be interested to hear your thoughts. It's a really nice day today. It's a bit overcast but it's not cold at all. Still at the end of August, right enough. I'm really enjoying this Tracer 9 GT. Lovely to ride, plenty of power, lots of low down torque, very comfortable. I'll be sad when I have to give it back. Now the reason I'm going to Fairlie Moor, because I was watching YouTube the other day and I saw another Ayrshire rider. I can't remember if it was Lockwood or if it was the Ayrshire Vlogster, so apologies because I can't remember which one of you guys it was. And I saw them riding the Fairlie Moor, which is a road I've known about. I mean, I've known it's a cracking road but I've just never done it. But when I saw the views I thought, oh aye, I need to go and give that a crack. I mean, today was a sunny day, decent weather. I thought, well, now's my chance. It's just headlights through the hedge. Oh, it's just a van. I thought it was maybe a tractor. This is a great thing about Ayrshire and a lot of Scotland in general, that I'm not far away from a major town. I'm still near Irvine, Kilmarnock, Saltcoats, all that kind of general area I'll be close to today. But you've got all these cracking wee country roads. Yeah, if you ever fancy some cracking wee roads like this, get yourself into the countryside in Scotland. And then we go from a wee country road to a bigger road. Where are we going here, woman? Come on, seriously? I have zero trust for this wee person. I don't know if it's a man or if it's a woman. Good, thank you. This is a proper country road. Drone down because these guys here are shooting rockets. Right, note to self, don't come up here again at the weekend. That's a nice view. It's not going so I'll drop right back. Now that is a stunning view. Absolutely stunning view. Beautiful. This would be a cracking place to come and camp, so you can pitch a tent somewhere and just look at this. If I can come up a day here when they're not shooting rockets, that might be a good day for drone footage. So I head back down the hill, the other side. This will take us down to Fairlie. See a way over to Arran. Oh, and there's the Hunterston Power Station. Decommissioned now, of course. This place is like Sauchiehall Street. That's a very busy street in Glasgow for those who don't know. Sauchiehall Street. Just try and spell it, it's quite a funny word. That was a nice wee road, albeit a bit on the busy side. Thanks very much for watching, ride safe and we'll see you next time.